Engineering. Building a better future, with Stephen the Engineer. Have you ever wondered how the products you use every day are made? It all starts with the manufacturing process. Manufacturing engineers play a critical role in designing, developing, and optimizing the processes that turn raw materials into finished products. Manufacturing engineering is a field that focuses on creating efficient and effective manufacturing processes. This includes everything from designing the factory layout, selecting the right machines and tools, and optimizing the production line to maximize output and minimize waste. One of the key challenges in manufacturing engineering is finding ways to improve efficiency. This can involve automating processes, using advanced robotics, or implementing lean manufacturing techniques to reduce waste and increase productivity. Robotic automation is a rapidly growing area of manufacturing engineering. Robots can perform tasks with speed and precision, and can work around the clock without getting tired or making mistakes. Quality control is another important aspect of manufacturing engineering. Engineers are responsible for ensuring that products are manufactured to meet strict quality standards, and for identifying any defects or issues in the production process. Manufacturing engineering is a field that requires a combination of technical and problem-solving skills, as well as creativity and innovation. Manufacturing engineers work closely with production workers, design engineers, and other professionals to design and implement efficient and effective manufacturing processes. The next time you use a product, take a moment to think about the complex process that went into making it. Manufacturing engineering is a vital part of our modern world and is responsible for bringing many of the products we use every day to life. Hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons below and watch our other videos on different branches of engineering. Thanks for watching.